Have you ever had to email something important with detail and clarity to some senior figures in your organization, but then been told you gave too much information and overloaded the audience? Or have you had to email something to those same senior figures and been told there wasn't enough detail to enable decision making? You can't win. Or can you? I'm Stuart Taylor and I make videos about project management, productivity and surviving corporate life. Here's my tip on how to structure your emails to senior figures in your organization so that you give them all the information they need whilst never ever being accused of giving too much detail again. And stay to the end because the last step is probably the most important. Step 1. Write the full email, the whole thing with just about as much information as you need as possible to enable a decision. Step 2. Add sections. Can you break up the content into sections with headings and subheadings? Step 3. Data visualization. Go back through the content. Is text the best way to illustrate that data? Would a list work better? Numbered or bulleted? Can tables work better? Or charts? This will help you to break up large intimidating blocks of text, but it will also allow you to draw focus to complex data in a way that's easier to understand. Step 4. Hit the like button on this video. I'm not sure that will actually help your emails, but I'm pretty certain it won't hurt them. Step 5. Now you've got your detailed email that is going to clearly overload the reader. So here's the golden tip, the one that's going to set you apart from everyone else. Title this whole body of work Details. Then above that, go to the top of the email, and after you've said, "Hi boss," add a new title, Headlines. In this section, just put a short bulleted list of the top 3 items you're calling out from the detail section. If there's a decision to be made, write decision at the start of the line so it's obvious. Be really to the point in this section. Now you have the best of both worlds. High-level details that the readers can absorb quickly, along with a full detail if they want to delve deeper. Okay, now run along, apply this, let me know how it goes in the comments, and I'll catch you next time.